I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device model and OS so you pick the right removal path. Next, go to Settings and locate apps to identify the exact wallpaper app name and package. This prevents removing the wrong item. If the app appears under Device Admin or has profile access, you must revoke that immediately, otherwise uninstall is blocked. Once done, make sure you've noted any account or subscription details so you can sign back in if needed. You now revoke device admin or profile permissions from security settings. This is why many wallpaper apps resist removal. Next, force stop the app and clear cache and app data to remove persistent settings, then tap Uninstall in App Info. If the uninstall button is grayed out, reboot to safe mode and try again. Safe mode disables third-party apps so removal succeeds. Alternatively, connect to a PC and use ADB with the uninstall command for the package. Finish by restarting the device and confirming your default launcher and wallpaper are back to normal. Scan storage for leftover folders from the app and delete them using a file manager. Clear any remaining media or cache to free space. If you still see the app or persistent wallpaper, the key troubleshooting move is using ADB. Use a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 followed by the package name to remove it for the current user. After that, reboot and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.